So before I fixed this outlet, when I was plugging something in or removing it, this whole outlet constantly went in and out. It was loose. When I was pulling it, it would come out. So today I just want to show you how I fix that.
So before you start any work, you want to make sure that the power to the outlet is off. To do that, here I have an outlet tester. You can get one at your local hardware store, or you can just plug something in like a lamp that's on, so that you know at the circuit breaker when you flip it off that the power to the outlet is indeed off.
Box out.
I'd also recommend you get one of these voltage testers so you can use around your outlets or any wires to double check that there is indeed no voltage on them. There have been times where I'd open up a switch or an outlet and there's some wires behind there. I'd also check them with the voltage tester, even though I did switch off the breaker and know that the actual switch is off. But you never know if there's some wiring behind that's running off of a different breaker. So it's always good to be safe than sorry. If you're interested in getting the outlet tester or the voltage tester, see the description for links.
You can see here, there's a screw on the top right corner that makes this plastic piece go up, and it'll lock the whole box into the wall, so you can't pull it out and won't move around. But obviously, looks like it is quite broken. So I'm going to replace this.
So now we know the root cause of the electrical outlet being loose is that this box is a floating box. Basically, it's not hammered in any stud or anything. The thing that fixes it in place is these flaps. One at the top right and one at the bottom left. When you screw it in, these flaps come up and it tightens the box to the drywall. And that's what's holding it in place. Other than that, the video just shows me replacing the box and the outlets with the new box and screwing it in and making it tight. So if that's all you needed from this video, you can stop right here. Otherwise, you can continue. I do not show how to wire for your specific situation. I'm not a certified electrician or anything like that. So I'm pretty sure there's plenty of other videos telling you how to do the wiring. The main thing to know is, however it's wired, before you start the work, make sure you take a picture. If you wire it back the same, everything should work.